Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, ang i-discuss natin ay finding the slope in equations of the line. Okay, so balikan lang po natin na ang standard form ng linear equations in two variables ay ax plus by equals c, na kung saan yung x and y ay nasa left side ng equal sign, tapos yung constant or yung walang variable nasa right side ng equal sign. Now, for us to identify the slope, it is actually the numerical coefficient of x. But always remember that the slope in the equation of a line must be found if the equation is written in the slope-intercept form. As you can see, the slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b, in which your term here is only y with no numerical coefficient aside from 1. And on the right side, you will have your x with a numerical coefficient and b is your constant actually. Okay? So, if this is your form, meron na tayong ibang tawag sa kanila. Si M, siya po yung tinatawag nating slope. Tapos si B, siya po yung tinatawag nating Y-intercept. So, hindi ko muna i-discuss si Y-intercept, dun muna tayo kay slope. Kasi yun naman yung topic natin for today. Okay, so for example, you are to find the value of the slope given 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So, this is in standard form. So, you cannot identify the slope right away kasi hindi pa siya naka-slope-intercept form. Pag slope-intercept form, kung ito yung equal sign, si y lang yung nasa left. Okay? So, kung ito yung equal sign mo, si y nasa left. Okay na. But, your 3x here is on the left of the equal sign. It must be written on the right side. Kasi nandito sa right side yung may x. So, if that is the case, bring down 2y. Then, mauna mo muna isulat yung may x bago yung 8 dito. Kasi dito makikita mo, mauuna yung may x bago yung constant. Okay? So, mauna muna to. So, pag nilipat mo yung positive 3x, magiging negative 3x. Then, since your 8 here, hindi naman siya ililipat dun sa kabilang side ng equal sign, remain lang siya as is. So, kung ano man yung sign niya, yun lang yung isusulat mo. Kung positive yung 8, lagay mo lang plus 8. Now, our target is to have only y on the left side. Y na walang numerical coefficient aside from 1. Okay? So, here, your y has 2. So, what you're going to do is to eliminate 2. So, paano po yun? You have to divide both sides. Kasi since this is equation, what you do on the left side must also be done on the right side. So, to eliminate 2 here, you divide both sides by 2 para po mawala ito. So, kung ano yung number na nandito, doon mo i-divide pareho. So, makakancel out yan, may iwan na lang si y. And then, negative 3 divided by 2, kung wala naman exact na sagot, you just copy negative 3 over 2, then x. And then, if you can divide this, mas okay. So, 8 divided by 2, that will be 4. So, in here, your slope is the number before x. So, kung ano man yung term, bago mag-x, yun po yung slope. So, negative 3 over 2. Tapos, si y-intercept or b is the constant. So, siya yung constant. So, since positive naman siya or plus, positive 4. Okay. Next, let us have more examples. Or another example rather. In identifying the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so let us have 2x plus 9y is equal to 3. So, again, it is not in the slope-intercept form. So, hindi natin agad-agad makukuha yung value ng slope and y-intercept. So, ang gagawin, lipat-lipat lang. So, para ito yung target natin na form. So, since ito yung equal sign, sa left side, nandun na si y. So, kung hindi yung hindi mo kailangan, ilipat mo lang. So, may iwan natin si 9y here. Positive naman siya. Then, positive 2, pag nilipat, magiging negative 2x. Tapos, ito, since positive naman yung 3, lagay mo lang plus 3. Since you have there 9, katabi ng y, divide both sides by 9. Very good. So, cancel this out. May iwan na lang si y. Then, kung hindi kayang i-divide, okay lang. Or kung hindi kayang i-lowest term, okay lang. So, 2 and 9, you just copy negative 2 over 9, then with x. On this part, you can simplify 3 by 9. Okay, so 3 divided by 9 is actually divisible by, both numbers are divisible by 3. So, kung i-divide natin siya by 3, so ito yung GCF ha. 3 divided by 3, that's 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, yung 1/3, siya na yun nandito. Okay? Now, what is the value of the slope? The value of the slope is the number before x. So, negative 2 over 9. And our y-intercept here is this one. 1 over 3. So, if this is minus, this is negative 1 over 3. Okay, now, again, if your slope is negative, what is the behavior of the line? That's correct. It is inclined to the